In aerospace painting, precision begins long before the color is applied. Every flawless aircraft finish begins with careful masking. Pre-taped masking films protect large surfaces and ensure clean edges. Paper masking tapes help define sharp lines and color separations, prevent dust and overspray. Each layer contributes to accuracy, durability, and perfection in painting. Because in aerospace, every detail matters. For industrial masking applications, contact +91 89567 49950.